Hey, welcome back, my fellow investors and my future fellow investors. This is ET. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who always looking for ways to increase one's net worth. Now, welcome back to trade number 2 of the CitiGroup Poor Man's Covered Call series. In this video, what we'll do is we'll actually see the sale of our first short-term covered call, and we'll also update the performance tracker. So let's get started.
Hey, my fellow investors. It is the day after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys had a blessed and safe Thanksgiving. Today is the 26th of November. The market is only going to be open until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, today the market pretty much slammed down. I think the Dow opened up minus 800, and a lot of the stocks are drastically down. Now, I know I said that with this Citicorp poor man's covered call that I wouldn't uh, trade any or do any covered calls until the price of Citigroup went up to $70. It got slammed down. I think the last I looked, it was at 64. I took a real quick look at the options chain, and it looks like I'll be able to hopefully pick up some chunk change for about a week, just having a 1 week play on Citigroup. So that's what I'm going to try. We're going to go ahead and try to take advantage of this. And so let's go through the process here. Here is the Citicorp price, 64.13, went down $3.15, 4%. So let's refresh this just in case. Okay, here we go. 64.23. So that's where we're currently at. Now, if I pull up the leap call option that we have, that's 60 with the $60 strike for January 2024, we see now that the last trade was 1267. So let's refresh that and see if there's an update. Okay, 1265. So we know that. All right, so let's take a look now at the options chain. Options chain, I'm just going to go out 1 week, which is December 3rd, and I'm going to go with something. Let me refresh this here. There we have it refreshed, and a little bit. And let's go to options. Let's go to December. And let's go with the 3rd. And I want to see everything. Padaya. Padaya. And it looks like, there we go. I'm looking at the 70. I want to move it out to 70. And the reason why is because it looks like at the 70 strike price for 1 week out, the delta is 7. There's a 7% chance that it's going to reach 70 in 1 week. I like that. Looks here like the premium on that, the last trade was 0.10. If I do 10 contracts, it'll be $100. Looking at the spread, it's 0.10, 0.11. So tight spread, I'll probably go with the bid. So let's give this a shot and see if we can pull off and grab some chump change. Now, worst case scenario, let's say, for example, something within the week, it rallies to above 70. I would actually make money because I sold an out of the money covered call for 1 week out. And also remember at the time that I entered into the leap position for January 2024, the price of the stock was about $66. So on that case, I should have also a price increase on on the value of that option as well. So worst case scenario, I'll still make money out of this deal. Uh, the best case, what I'm hoping for, is that it doesn't reach $70 by the 3rd of December, which is a week from today, and I can do this all over again. So let's take a look and see if we can pull this off here. I'm going to go back to my CitiGroup account, go up to trade, go down to options trading. Symbol I want is IV. I'm sorry. That's going to be CitiGroup. And I want to go for December 3rd. I'm going to do a call option at 70. My action is to sell to open. Quantity, 10 contracts. Order type, limit. It looks like the bid went down to 90. I'll go with the bid. I want to get it. Oh, but that I wish 9. So that'd be about $90 today only, of course. And review order. Make sure everything's okay. It looks like we'll pick up about $83.39. I'll take it. And place order. Okay, order was received. Let's go to the order status. Today, looks like we were filled. Okay, here is my tracking sheet for CitiGroup. And if you remember, I believe the last we seen that the price was, which is here, it was, let's refresh that just to see if that's changed, and we'll update. So it's the same, 1265. So we'll go back here, plug in 12.65. And as you can see, I'm down 6% just on the value of the leap, but I don't have a problem with that right now because we have plenty of time until January 2024. So let's update this here. We did earn some money today. Sale to open date was today, the 26th of November. Expiration date, 3 December. Price of the stock at the time. What was the price of the stock? Well, let's do this. Here's all I got to do here is go up here to data. No, data. Review. It's going to give us an update. Maybe because of this review, so on. Turn that off. Now, go back here. Go to data. Bet you that's what it was. Refresh all. There we go. So at the time, it looks like 64.74 is the price. Strike price that we had was $70. Premiums received was 83.45. Contracts we did were 10. So since the position is open and not closed out yet, we're showing now a total profit of $83.45. So the covered call is up, leap profits are down, and that's where we're currently at so far as net profit or loss. Net loss right now, 776, and a 6% loss there. So there we have it. We have our very first covered call trade with the Citicorp Poor Man's covered call. Everything's been updated. I will once we have our next trade, once we have our next trade, we'll go ahead and do up another video to bring everyone up to date. So let's see what happens in a week.
So there you have it. We completed the sale of our very first short-term covered call. Wasn't much in the way of premiums. And as we already seen, that the value of the leap decreased. But remember, we did this on the 26th, the day after Thanksgiving, when the whole market equity market as well as the crypto market took a nosedive. The Dow finished up at like minus 905 points. So what we had to do is we just did something real short, a 1 week covered call just to pick up some crumbs. All right, guys. Now, to all my fellow investors and my future investors, remember this: save, invest, apply what you know, because knowledge by itself is not power. It's the application of knowledge that's power. Guys, I will see you on the next video, trade number 3.